Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make beautiful rakhis with very less time and with very less materials. So before getting into the video, I'd like to tell you all, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and please don't forget to send your comments. And let us see the materials. So today video we are going to make these rakhis with Kalawa thread. Kalawa thread is actually we use these threads for pujas and auspicious occasions and all. Basically it is a combination of red and yellow. Sometimes you will find in green and zari also. So this small bundle is about 3 to 4 meters actually. It is easily available in the market within a price range of 20 to 30 rupees. And here I took 3 strands of this Kalawa thread, and with the measuring tape you can measure. This is about 6 inches length. So 6 inches. So the procedure, again in the procedure we will be losing some thread, and I am using golden flower caps. And about these flower caps I will elaborate you little more information when we are doing these things. Okay, so and next we will be using cotton thread. And this is also very easily available in the market. And further we will be using for sticking purpose and all this fevibond glue, which is a kind of a hard glue which we basically use for metals to stick. So this fevibond we will be using. And to make rakhi little more beautiful, I am using small charms. So if you are a craft maker or jewelry maker, definitely you will find small charms and all with you. So these kind of charms also we can use. So let us start our procedure. So these 3 strands, whichever of 6 inches we are taken. So see that you will give a knot extremely end of this thread like this, and the knot should be very tight enough like this. So the other side also we should give, but make sure while you are pulling the thread from the beginning, you make sure that three lines should stand very parallelly, so that it will give a look of width. So like this, the other side also we will give a knot. If you are finding very difficult to give the knots at extreme ends, what you can do is you take 1 more inch extra, so that you can like with a free hand you can give that knots. Then after we are going to trim this extras, because usually you can make out my flower caps are very smaller, so I need a little small space only. And these flower caps, around 75% of this space I am filling with this glue. Make sure all around you will fill the glue. And apart from these kind of flower caps, you also get many varieties in the market. So based on the flower cap size, you have to choose your thread knot size as well as thread line size. And these glue, basically I told now, whenever you use it is kind of a hard glue, make sure you will close it. So leaving some 3 to 4 seconds, you can start inserting this knot portion, the extra thread portion, inside the flower cap. So I was telling you I will elaborate about the flower cap. So what I supposed to tell you is whichever flower cap model I have chose here, that is a closed flower cap which has a ring outer side. But usually you will also get the hold flower cap also. No need to worry, you can keep this kind of same procedure you can follow, but for that from the inside you will be taking the thread. Okay, this is the middle portion of the rakhi what we made now. So as you can see, you have that kind of rings at the end of the caps. So by this we have finished our middle portion of the rakhi. Basically rakhi is generally it should be of length of 15 centimeters. Sorry, 15 inches. So now if you see with the knots and flower cap attachments and all, the middle portion of the rakhi thread portion being 4 inches, and with the flower caps it is around 4.5 to 5 inches it has come. So as I told you, rakhi length should be generally 15 inches. So where we have covered middle portion for 5 inches. So remaining 10 inches both the sides I am segregating as 5 inches each side, which portion usually we use for tying the rakhi. So for that I am planning for 2 stands in each side. So basically 5-inch 2 stands means 10 inches we have to take. So like this, measuring 2 threads I have taken, 10 inch each. Take 1 thread and fold it into exactly the center and let it pass through the ring, and you will give a kind of a self knot. This self knot usually we prefer because of this self knot you will not find the ends as uneven. It will be very even. And end also we will give 1 knot. There is 2 reasons to giving this knot, because now in this rakhi we are leaving these threads as plain. Otherwise sometimes we will use pearls or beads to this. So to avoid moving of beads, as well as to make sure that both the threads are even, we will give knot at the end of the threads also. So like this. So now actually speaking, our rakhi is ready. You can even use like this also. But as I told you, we will be doing little decoration to this rakhi, which will highlight the look of the rakhi. So for that, what I have to do, I am attaching little fevibond exactly the middle of the threads. Then over to this, I am going to attach this small charms. So exactly over that fevibond area, I am attaching this charm. And make sure once you attach this, you will pull all the 3 threads together so that it will stand firmly. The rakhi will stand firmly. So around some 5 to 10 minutes it will take to stick firmly. Then after, I felt the ring is very empty. So for that ring also we will give some small decoration. So I am using laurels with the help of small ring. I am attaching these laurels to the charms. So even if you are more creative, you can attach some hanging jhumka, hanging 1 single pearl, or even laurels with different color matching like red, yellow, like that also you can give. This all like creativity all depends on your way of doing. So basically the intention of this video was like how soon, how easily with very less materials you can do the rakhi. So here our final product is ready. Very simple, with no time we had made this rakhi. You can see here, and it is very easy to manage also, easy to carry also actually. So this is about today's video. Here you can see all the varieties of rakhis I made. I even made in silver also, some 1 or 2 pieces, but it is not like traditionally people will prefer these kind of golden rakhis only. So this is about today's video. Hope you all liked it, and don't forget to share the video, subscribe the channel. Please mention your comments also. Thanks a lot. See you soon with the next video. Thank you.